Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to track my phone using Find My Device. First thing, just simply go to your settings, and now from here just simply scroll down and just simply go for the Google and make sure Find My Device is enabled over here. And once you have enabled it, you can just simply open it up, and after that just simply sign in with your account. And now once you are signed in, just simply go ahead and go to your computer